In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Pocket Option. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to withdraw your money from Pocket Option, you must first head over to the Pocket Option website and you just want to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you should be on a page that looks similar to what you're seeing on screen now, and we can go to the top right corner and we just want to click Top Up. From there, we're going to click Payment Method and then we're going to go ahead and click Choose Another. And that will then take us to this page. Now if we go to the top left corner, as you can see, deposit is ticked. However, we can go ahead and click withdrawal right here. And this now gives us the option to withdraw money from our account. Now as you can see here, it says the withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. And I've never actually deposited into my account, which is why it's not showing me the full process here. However, if you have deposited into your account before and you've got a minimum withdrawal amount of $10, you'll actually be able to withdraw from Pocket Option. So if your account is eligible for a withdrawal, you'll see a screen like this, and the first thing you can do is choose the payment method. From there, you can choose the amount which you're trying to withdraw, and you can also find your balance up here at the top. From there, if you've chosen crypto, you can enter in your crypto payment address, and you can go ahead and click continue to finalize the withdrawal. And once you've done that, you will have successfully withdrawn your money from Pocket Option. So that's how you can withdraw money from Pocket Option. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.